What's going on YouTube? My name is Andreas, this is My Banker's Insights, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Apple credit card. I guess it's not really an unboxing, unenveloping, but let's get right to it. Whoa. This is what the card actually looks like, and it has the MasterCard logo and the Goldman Sachs logo and the Apple logo on the front side, and just your name, and again there's no card number, which is really good for preventing fraud. So as you guys see, the Apple credit card comes in this really cool case. Very colorful. The card is actually made out of titanium, and one of the things I wanted to go over is the reason I actually applied for the card. The reason I applied for it is because I want to increase my overall credit limit. Increasing your overall credit limit allows you to use more of your credit, help better your credit score. The way credit works is if you have, let's say, a $1,000 credit limit, right? And it's on one card. You don't want to use more than 30% of that limit. I try to keep it under 10%. That's where I feel comfortable. The higher your limit is, the more credit you're able to use without drastically affecting your credit score. So if your credit limit, let's say, is $30,000, you only want to use 30% of $30,000, which is a lot more than 30% of $1,000. Another reason why I chose the Apple credit card instead of another credit card is because I myself purchase a lot of Apple products, and this card actually offers 3% cash back on any purchase that's made at Apple. You get 2% cash back if you use Apple Pay anywhere where Apple Pay is acceptable, and you get 1% cash back when you use the actual physical card. Now that's sort of a con, because that just makes you, if you don't have an iPhone and you don't have Apple Pay, then you don't really shop at Apple, then you can't really use this card. But for someone like myself that actually, buys Apple products, has an iPhone, has Apple Pay, it's really beneficial. The interest rate itself on the card starts at 12.74, and I think the max is about 23.74, around that area. And that's not a pretty decent interest rate. If you have good credit, if you're on the lower side and you get 12%, it's not too bad. I don't tend to keep a balance on my credit cards. It's always good, and I recommend always paying off your credit balance every single month and not using money that you don't necessarily already have or you don't have coming in to be able to pay it off. That way you're not paying any interest. The card also does not have an annual fee. Some credit cards have an annual fee. It could be $40 and sometimes all the way up to $200 to $300 depending on that credit card. Apple also offers some debt management program. Using the app, you'd be able to see exactly what you spent, exactly what interest they're going to be charging you on the card, how much interest you'd be charged depending on how big of a payment you make. So it's really user friendly. So for anyone that's actually struggling to pay a credit card or remembering when their card payment is, and you have an iPhone, you have Apple Pay, this makes it really easy to make your payments and start building your credit score. I just got the card today, so I haven't started using it yet. But once I use it, and once I'll wait a couple months, and then I'll do another review video showing exactly what I think of the card, and show you guys exactly what the card looks like in a couple months to see if it has any dents or stains on it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and as always, I'll be putting out a lot more content. Please like, comment, and subscribe.